Hey, it's Jen with the Flowering Farmhouse, and this spring and summer I have teamed up with the Home Depot to bring you some of my best gardening tips and advice. And so today I wanted to talk to you about my vegetable garden here. And so first I'm going to show you the vegetables that I planted, and then I also want to talk a little bit about companion planting and why companion planting is important. So this spring I went to the Home Depot and I found Bonnie's Harvest Select and Bonnie's vegetables, and I primarily purchased a bunch of kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Swiss chard, lettuce, and spinach to plant in our vegetable garden. So let me show you the vegetables that I picked out to plant in our garden. Okay, so here's a look at our vegetable garden. Here I have some curled parsley. I'll touch on this shortly, but you'll notice that I have flowers intermixed in with the vegetables. I have some lettuce and spinach planted here, and then some Bonnie's Brussels sprouts, some pak choy from the Harvest Select. I have cilantro. I love mixing all my herbs in here. I have some rosemary, dill, more cilantro right here. You'll notice that around the outside of the bed I have planted onions, and then you'll see some more flowers right there. I have some lemon thyme that smells amazing here. These are all Bonnie's plants from the Home Depot. Moving over here, I have some Brussels sprouts, some red cabbage, some Harvest Select broccoli, more kale, some more Harvest Select kale over here. The Harvest Select gives you a head start on your growing season. And that is just a quick little look at our spring vegetable garden. So when I was giving you a tour of the vegetables that I planted in our small vegetable garden, you probably noticed that I also included some wave petunias from the Home Depot, as well as right behind me here, this purple flower, that's salvia. The reason I add flowers within my vegetables is because they act as pollinators, and you want to attract the bees to your vegetable garden to pollinate your vegetables. So a great way to do that is to add flowers. So I like to tuck in as many flowers as I can. As soon as the weather warms up a little bit where I live, I will be adding marigolds in here that also help deter the pests, and the bees love them. So by adding flowers into your vegetables, you can promote pollination within your vegetable garden. All right, I hope that you found this helpful, seeing how I planted our vegetable garden with companion planting with flowers to attract the pollinators. And what I didn't point out is that you'll notice that I put my tallest vegetables in the center so that I can harvest all the way around my vegetable beds with the smallest items toward the outside, so that everything will grow nicely and compact together, and everything is spaced about 12 inches apart so that they can fill in and really fill this entire bed throughout the growing season. All right, happy gardening.